Hi, I'm Dr. Richard Chapu. I'm a triple board certified plastic surgeon, director of California Hair MD in La Jolla, California. And I want to talk to you a few minutes and introduce you to some really exciting technology that we have in our practice called the Neograft. This is actually the newest version of Neograft, the Neograft 2.0. Now, Neograft is a device that's utilized by myself and my nursing staff to individually harvest hair follicles for hair restoration procedures. In the past, historically, hair restoration was done removing a strip of scalp from the back of the head. That would leave a long noticeable scar, and it was a very prolonged recovery for patients. Now, with what's called FUE, or follicular unit extraction, the original devices were manual and somewhat cumbersome, and then Neograft developed a device or a machine that is semi-automatic, that not only allows you to core the follicle, but actually suction it into a small reservoir or chamber that my staff and I later on use to individually plant these follicles for hair restoration. The wonderful thing about Neograft is it is the device that's been out the longest. It's the longest semi-automatic FUE device available for hair restoration, and it's used by the vast majority of FUE hair restoration practices in the country. So it's a wonderful device. We actually were the first to introduce the Neograft device here to San Diego, and we definitely have the largest hair restoration practice for FUE for Neograft in this area. So please look at our website, californiahairmd.com, to find out some more information and look at some of our examples of patients who have undergone hair restoration. Thank you.